Yo, there's a boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Maybe TV. Ngwiraga haha niho mucii wigwe wi mucii riu muthenya wa ira Senator Karen Nyamu ina yatuthurire debate imwe we njega iragicangirwo na njira nene arakiuria kiuria kiega aroria atiriri gatagati ka muthuri uri urahenania no uri araria ma kimurutio akiuria atiriri hari mutumia urakihenio mama gakirwo mafiuri ni uriku endetwo muno akiandikite otora guthomera na githungu arauga debate time. A man is dealing with two women, one he lies to and the other he is completely honest with. Which woman does he love? Andu makirigwo muno wakuga na andu matikiagaga muno wa gucokia. Andu makuita oni ngurani toria guthomera kuma maoni-ini ma andu. Tona mbere yeto Chief Makaru atiriri, men lie because they are afraid of your reaction to the truth. So of course the he love is one he is lying to. Same case a scenario that side chick knows everything about main chick, but main chick does not know I have side chick. We wakiona urakita oni wake arauga rirakihenio ni arakirwo ma ni akiendetwo tondu ni agitira komurus kana magano. Kikuyu OG kauga atiriri nimenunua vitu mbili hapa, moja imeoza moja iko sawa, ni gani utapenda? Shokiri na oni wake hau babu ya shokia atiriri himself, he loves himself. Akiga edete mwene na oni wake wika kauga atiriri a man who loves you must lie to you because he cares about your feelings. Nakiga maoni uria maragicasha guku Elvis Mushira kauga atiriri none atahatikiri uria kiendetwo. DJ RB kuma Tanzania aracokia kauga he loves both of them. Nakiga atakiendete ri no ndiakena hau akirio na gitithia tondu nima mundurume no ahote kwenda akeri no mundu mukathange ota kwenda aromeri. Is it possible? Ngoya cokia comment-ini turona ngi haha kauga atiriri he loves that woman with big andu wakita oni ngurani kuthomera ya mwisho ha oikaine ta Candy Chiroga nilikuwa mina, alafu Zawadi akampigia simu usiku saa 4 akiwa kwangu kumuuliza, akaniambia ni 100. Hakushika hiyo simu. Swali ni ananipenda ama anapenda Zawadi? No niko hoya shokie comment-ini hau tukawa gushare o hamwe na gusubscribe Miaki na Maybe TV.